Is it the right time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Amazon. We initially released a report on our website on Friday, November 3, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. Staying informed about crucial updates that can impact your investments is essential. Improve your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of October 30, 2023, our system has identified Amazon as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.41. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Over this time, the stock has experienced a gain of 4.44%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.89% since it was labeled as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, a break above the top trend line at $138.61 could indicate a slower falling rate and possibly the beginning of a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -7.27% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -20.68% and -7.26%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a 58.82% change over the next year, with a potential return between 38.57% and 75.6%. This means the stock price could range from $192.06 to $243.39 after 12 months. Our latest update on Amazon brings you some exciting news. On Friday, the Amazon stock experienced a green day, as it gained 0.384%. During the last trading day, the stock price rose from $138.07 to $138.60, marking its 6th consecutive day of gains. It's quite rare for stocks to sustain such a winning streak, so it wouldn't be surprising if we see a slight dip in the coming days. On Friday, the stock fluctuated between a low of $137.45 and a high of $139.49, showing a 1.48% variation throughout the day. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by an impressive 10.73%, and it has risen in 8 of the last 10 days. The trading volume decreased by 6 million shares on the last day, with a total of approximately 43 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to around $6.01 billion. It's worth noting that when volume decreases while prices rise, it may indicate a potential shift in the market in the upcoming days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past year, its highest price reached $145.86, while the lowest was $81.43. At present, the price is 4.98% or $7.26 below its 52-week high, and a significant 89.38% or $1,166.60 below its all-time high on January 15, 2018, when it reached $1,305.20. Today, we're going to talk about the latest analyst ratings for Amazon stock. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Amazon a grade of overweight with a recommendation to hold. Another report on the same day showed that Oppenheimer rated Amazon as outperform with a recommendation to hold. Goldman Sachs also weighed in on Friday, giving Amazon a buy rating while suggesting to hold. Telsey Advisory joined in with an outperform grade for Amazon, along with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, October 23, 2023, Bank of America Securities rated Amazon as a buy with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have given Amazon stock a strong buy rating overall. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Today's chart for Amazon shows mostly positive signals. The stock is currently receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, the short-term average is above the long-term average, further supporting a buy signal. In case of corrections, there will be support at $132.40 and $129.81. However, a breakdown below these levels would issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 15.92%. It is expected to continue rising until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. However, it's worth noting that the volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This divergence between volume and price may be an early warning and should be monitored closely. In the long-term chart, the stock had a rare golden star signal on Monday, February 13, 2023. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. It is often followed by long and strong gains for the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there is a buy signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was generated 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, there was a buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was generated 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. Short moving average, there was a buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was generated 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Let's start with support. Amazon currently has support from accumulated volume at $137.85. This means that there is a level where buyers are likely to step in and support the stock. If the stock reaches this level and is tested, we can expect an upwards reaction, making it a potential buying opportunity. Moving on to risk, Amazon has average movements during the day. This means that it doesn't experience extreme fluctuations. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. So, while there is some risk involved, it's not overly high. Now, let's talk about stop loss. A stop loss is a predetermined price level at which traders will exit a position to limit their losses. For Amazon, it would be wise to set a stop loss below the support level we mentioned earlier, at around $137.50, for example. This way, if the stock drops below the support level, you can exit the position and minimize your losses. To give you an idea of the stock's recent volatility, let's look at its movements. Yesterday, the stock moved $2.04 between its high and low, which is a 1.48% change. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 2.09%. Before we explore the potential favorable trading levels for Amazon, let's first discuss some essential fundamental data. First and foremost, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This crucial ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio can indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high growth rate expectations for the future. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.770. It's important to keep a close watch on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to analyze potential day trading levels for Amazon. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $139.57. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this level could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if Amazon experiences a decline, it will encounter its first support level at $137.85. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as an attractive entry point for traders, as they anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. According to multiple analyst sources, Amazon has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On October 30, 2023, Bezos Jeffrey P. sold 122,223 shares of Amazon's common stock, each with a par value of 1 cent per share. On October 31, 2023, Bezos Jeffrey P. sold 428,415 shares of Amazon's common stock, each with a par value of 1 cent per share. On October 19, 2023, Adam Silipsky sold 500 shares of Amazon's common stock, each with a par value of 1 cent per share. On October 20, 2023, Adam Silipsky sold 500 shares of Amazon's common stock, each with a par value of 1 cent per share. On October 5, 2023, Adam Silipsky sold 500 shares of Amazon's common stock, each with a par value of 1 cent per share. Taking into account the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -83.936. Overall, insiders have purchased 183,944 shares and sold 2,140,444 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $133.97, which represents a decrease of 3.34%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, meaning it carries a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 6 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, there are several positive signals in the short term. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity, with a fair chance for the stock to perform well. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Monday, November 6, we anticipate Amazon's opening price to be down $0.0867, starting the day at $138.51. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to present our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.